What's up, guys? It's Dipon from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, I'm showing you how to use Stunning, an AI-powered website builder that helps you create websites along with ads, social posts, and SEO blogs. You can create a website with this simple chat feature. Just choose a prompt to get started, or you can whip something up from scratch. All you gotta do is add a description of your product or service. Stunning's AI will then ask questions to fill in the blanks, like your brand voice and tone, brand colors, and preferred language. After building out a custom color palette, the AI will start building a site with images and content all laid out for you. And boom, just like that, you've got a website that's ready to go live. Stunning can do a lot more than build websites. I'm talking ad copy, SEO blog, social posts, a bunch of stuff. So I'd grab this lifetime deal while you still can, or stick around to see for yourself. Want to change a section? Just regenerate it, or add new ones. Stunning lets you choose from over 160 website components, including forums, social feeds, and galleries. You can pretty much do it all. Edit the images, text, colors, the theme, and layout. Update SEO elements like the title, description, meta tags, feature images, and favicon. You can even connect a custom domain. Need more pages? Stunning's AI will recommend new ones, or you can start from a blank slate. And you've got loads of other tools to work with too, like the AI marketing module, which helps you create Google Ads, social media posts, and more. Just choose the asset you need and follow the simple prompts, then save and post. Plus, you can download and share every asset with your team. And for all you bloggers out there, you'll get access to the AI Genie. This feature helps you write blog posts to boost SEO and engage your customers. Just add the blog topic and hit enter. The AI will create a blog post with images that you can publish to your website straight away. It really is that easy, or at least it can be if you jump on this lifetime deal. So hit that buy now button to take advantage of Stunning's AI and shave hours off your workdays starting today.